Hello everyone, my name is Mustapha and my presentation topic for today is Darfur. Darfur is a region in Sudan which is located in the northern part of Africa. It is the largest country in Africa and has a total area of 2,505,810 square kilometers, but only 5% of it is water and only 7% of the land is irrigated. It is located in the western region of Sudan, as you can see on the map, and has an area of 493,180 square kilometers, and it consists about 20% of Sudan. It lies between longitudes 220 and 270 east and latitudes 100 and 160 north. The whole eastern half of Darfur is covered with plains and low hills of sandy soil, also known as the Ghats. In many places, the Ghats is waterless and can only be inhabited where there are water reservoirs or deep boreholes. Remote sensing has detected the imprint of a vast underground lake on the Darfur. The potential water deposits are estimated at 19,110 110 square miles. When the region was more humid, the lake would have contained about 607 cubic miles of water, but this may have dried up thousands of years ago. And this is just a picture of showing you what I was talking about on the previous slide. This blue part right here is the lake that the scientists discovered that used to be in Darfur thousands of years ago. And it's believed that this lake is bigger than Lake Erie, but it dried up thousands of years ago, probably due to the climate change. Darfur has an estimated population of 6,165,000 people, unequally distributed among the three states. South Darfur with a population of 2,869,000, West Darfur with 1,653,000, and North Darfur with 1,552,000. The region is divided into two distinct ethnic groups, the indigenous Negroid groups and the Arabs or the Arab descendant claiming groups. Darfur's economy is based off of the production of agricultural goods like cereal, fruits, tobacco, and in the northern part, livestock. The region also has an abundant amount of natural resources such as copper, uranium, and oil. The Darfur region of Sudan has always been a main source of food supply to the country. However, environmental and political issues in the region have continued to diminish Darfur's contribution to Sudan's economic growth and development. This region is capable of solving Africa's food shortage problem and supplying water to other parts of the continent. Economic research confirms that Darfur is capable of sustaining a population of 3 million people while providing adequate food supply. However, research suggests that this could only be valid if Darfur's political climate becomes more stable. Only then the region could prosper. Its climate is a little more tropical in the south because it is closer to the equator. In its northern climate, it's drier and hotter, which makes sense because the northern half is all desert. The impact from climate change, such as the 20-year Sahelian drought, altered resource usage and access among the different stakeholders. Desertification increased significantly in the northern and central part of Darfur. Availability of freshwater resources declined, and farmland and grazing areas deteriorated. Resources such as water, land, and other natural resources became scarce due to the climate change, and as a result, more people are competing for access to those resources. And on the picture above, on the picture above, you can see people lining up with their containers trying to get water, probably from a borehole or a well. And on the bottom picture, those are like two dead animals. They probably died, due to lack of water. A major conflict broke out in February of 2003 in the purpose of ethnic cleansing of non-Arabs, otherwise known as genocide, resulting in the death of 480,000 and another 2.8 million living in refugee camps in the desert areas. It is believed that climate change is a contributing factor to Darfur's economic conflict. And that's my work cited. Thanks.